Thank you very much again, and I do apologize for joining in late and then for trying to fix the presentation. But alofa lava and greetings to all that have joined this webinar, colleagues and partners. Today I present on behalf of Pacific Water and Wastewater Association, focusing on water security in island territories, a matter central to our region's resilience and future. My name is Misileti Masoe-Satuala, and it is an honor to share this overview with you at this webinar. Slide 2, please. So who we are. For those that are not familiar with Pacific Water and Wastewater Association and the work that we do here in the Pacific, we are a regional not-for-profit association dedicated to strengthening the Pacific water and wastewater sector. Our network includes 31 utilities from 21 countries around the Pacific, alongside government agencies, partners, and private stakeholders. We promote collaboration, advocate for sustainable management, build capacity, and provide a unified voice on water security. Third slide. So main sources of water supply. Island territories rely on multiple sources here in the Pacific. We rely on rainwater. We rely on harvesting, rainwater harvesting. We rely on groundwater.
Wait, sorry, Misileti. Sorry.
Yeah.
I think that is not changed. I don't know why. Wait a moment. I try to. Sorry for that. Let. Wait a second. Yeah. Now you see the slides moving. Do you see the slides moving?
No, Juan Carlos, it's not working. But before you were able to show the third slide. So I don't know if maybe selecting them, or maybe if you have two screens, maybe we're seeing one of the screens. I don't know. Now it works.
It works now.
We are seeing the second slide. So
okay,
maybe you have to do it manually. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You
Now
see
it
that
works.
now?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Manually
Sorry,
works.
Misileti. Okay, perfect. You can continue,
So the main sources of So the main sources of water supply in the Pacific, for island territories, we rely on multiple sources. We rely on rainwater harvesting, groundwater aquifers, surface water, and increasingly on desalination. Rainwater is vital but vulnerable to droughts. Aquifers are strong in larger islands, but atolls face saltwater intrusion. Desalination is growing, but remains expensive and energy intensive. Slide 4. How water is used across sectors. In the Pacific, we use it domestically. In households, depend on water for drinking, cooking, and sanitation, yet only 55% of Pacific Islanders have basic drinking water services. Agriculture relies, one of the sectors that use water is agriculture, a major consumer, especially in fertile islands, supporting crops and livestock. We also use in the industry and tourism sector for food processing, fisheries and tourism, particularly in the islands of Fiji, Samoa, and French Polynesia. We also use it in the public services such as schools, hospitals, and government facilities. Require reliable supply for sanitation and operations. Next slide, please. So the current challenges that we face in terms of water scarcity, fresh water is limited, of course, in atolls, with saltwater intrusion worsening. In terms of climate pressure, of course, sea level rise, cyclones, rainfall variability are now recognized as a primary drivers of insecurity. Infrastructure, we see aging systems, high costs, and leakage undermine reliability. In the governance side of things, fragmented policies and limited capacity call for stronger collaborations and enforcements. On next slide, for future challenges, of course, we have climate pressures there. Again, we see the sea high, as the Pacific is in the front line of, same with other small atolls are on the front line of climate change. We see sea level rise and extreme events will intensify. Population growth in the Pacific, we're seeing a lot of increase in urbanization and tourism, which leads to increase in demand. Infrastructure, cost of desalination and inefficiencies remain a barriers for our utilities. In the governance side, we have capacity shortages. We've lost some qualified and well-trained employees to programs that are currently run by New Zealand and Australia, and also fragmented frameworks, which must be addressed. Slide 8. So possible solutions and strategies we're looking at climate resilient approaches. We see community engagements as important, improved rainwater harvesting and nature-based solutions like mangrove restorations. We see partnerships as important and also as possible solutions and strategies as we're currently partnering with various regional initiatives in the Pacific. Not sure if you're aware of the SPC. So we do a lot of work on regional initiatives on managing water scarcity. We collaborate a lot on water security, and of course assist our utilities with non-revenue water. Technology, there's renewable power desalination, there's smart metering, there's biosecurity linked water projects, which are currently active in the Pacific. And also in governance, we need integrated frameworks training programs that we do a lot with our utilities. We have ministerial forums where where water is being discussed at that political level in the Pacific, and we also keep water security high on the agenda. In closing, water security is not just a technical issue. We see it is about reliance. It's about resilience. It's about livelihoods and the future of our Pacific community. Together, through collaboration, innovation, and strong leadership, we can secure water for generations to come. And that's something Pacific Water and Wastewater Association is at the forefront in forging these collaborations and innovations. As I conclude, I warmly encourage you to join us at the Pacific Water Conference and Expo in 2026 in French Polynesia, which will be held from the 31st of August to the 4th of September 2026. It will be the perfect opportunity to learn more about the Pacific water and wastewater sector, exchange ideas, and strengthen partnerships. We look forward to welcome you here. Faftai Lava, and thank you again for inviting us to present tonight or today.
Thank you very much, Miss Letty. Thank you for the invite for the Congress. Thank you, Juan Carlos, for helping us with the presentation. So now